Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the Gemini Nano Banana image generator and the problem that most of you are facing is that the dimensions. I know that you can use ImageFX or other Google Vertex AI, for example, Studio to get the dimensions that you're looking for. But how to get the dimension that we're looking for inside Gemini? Because we know that Gemini, it's a great way because it enables us to edit our prompt, iterate basically. So, for example, as you can see, this image is a maybe 1 by 1 dimension, but I want an image that has, for example, a 16 by 9 dimension or basically vertical image. The solution is the references. And here's where multi-model basically prompting come in handy because uh, when dealing with generative AI tools, your output should not only be text. Your output can be images, can be audio, can be video. Okay, so you help the generative AI tool to give you what you're looking for, basically. I mean the input, not the output. The input can be images because it's like imagine like a painter that have only one color and someone else having like multiple colors. Of course, the second one's gonna have like better uh, paintings because he have more colors. So the same thing with what we call modalities. You use like text, images. So when he gave the Gemini the reference image, I was trying to mimic. He just did the same thing. He just mimicked it for me and gave me the exact dimension I was looking for. So, in the, I hope you like this video because it shows you how important reference is for the generative AI tools. Your references could be images, could be audios, can be another text output that you're looking for. So this is it, guys. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.